Okay, I have a lot of uh, how can I say, comments on my videos, and that is my intention, to wake people up to see if they start thinking. And they call me what they call me uneducated, uneducated. They call me uneducated. So I decided that I'm going to educate the entire planet, including doctors. And the reason I say this is because no one is telling you what is a virus. Everyone, including Fauci, the Latin Fauci. Yeah, Fauci, the one that is identifying everyone as Latin, the people from the Navajo tribe, the people from the Comanche, the people from how can I say, Chicaputepec, Mexicas. No, they are no Latins. They are from here, what we call Aborígenes. Those doctors, they all they talk about is what a virus does. It kills you. I'm going to educate Anderson Cooper, because this video is about Anderson Cooper guy, because that is the video that I had the most how can I say, attacks on my knowledge, I guess. And they attack me on my accent, they attack me on all this. But Esteban Rodriguez Miro, Bernardo Conde de Galvez, Marquez de Lafayette, all of them has my accent. A virus is designed, and I did not study this in school. This I generated my own self, my observation, is to keep the group together. A virus is an instruction. It's DNA with protein around it. That's it. And everything has virus. The virus is in every living organism on this planet. And not living. Because it's not alive. It's not like a single cell organism. It's just an instruction. It's just protein with DNA. So what it does is to force the group, a single group, let's call that an ethnic group, because that is actually what it is. Never confuse biology with ethnicity or a national origin, because everything is different. Biology is your mother and your father until the first amoeba that somebody created. Nobody knows. Ethnicity is basically a motorcycle gang. I mean, that's the best way I can put it. So a virus, what it does is allow that motorcycle gang not to be penetrated by a different biology, a different organism. Because we humans, we are herds. We are animals, no different than wildebeest or elephants. It's just a mammal that is herds. So this virus enter the group, the biology in the group, in the ethnic group, and the ethnic group will develop a antibodies or a way to fight it, if you will. That allow the group to move together over the planet, over planet Earth, and anyone or anything, because it can transfer from any type of biology. It can go from a cat to a dog, or it can go from a human to a cow. So as this group move through the planet, right, it protect that biology. It protect the group, if you will. Protect the group. That is what a virus does. A virus is a natural way of protection and a natural way of defense, if you will. If you are in the United States of America tribe, an ethnic group, and that's how we should be calling ourselves, United States of America tribe. No black and white, no blue, no red, no Democrat, no Republicans, no idiots and uneducated and all this sort of sense. A virus is Earth, is us. We are a virus too. We go through the Earth together and destroy everything, and also give everything life. It works on the same principle in let's say on a pack of wolves, monkeys, and whales and whatever. So now you understand that a virus is good. Is good. Now, when a virus, I can never pronounce that word, is bad, is when large groups introduced to one another. For example, during the how can I say, the Iberian advance in the Americas, what we call today America. The Iberians come here, and they brought within their protection their viruses. When they came in contact with the Aztecs and the Mayas and the Incas, and those people are the Navajo, those people are us. When they came in contact with us, now is a virus warfare. Now the tribes that were here, or the population that were here, their viruses destroy the people moving into their geography, and also the invaders or the new arrivals virus did the same. That is what a virus does. A virus is a defense mechanism of humanity. It is an instruction. Also, I always compare with people or humans that has negative blood proteins. Negative blood protein. That means that the proteins are different than the other ones, than the other humans, and it can kill you. And how it works is just the same as a virus, just identical. The mother, she is blood negative. The father is not blood negative. They try to produce a offspring or a child. The mother antivirus, antivirus, because it works just the same, or white cells, if you will, attack that That's it. That ain't new entity inside her body. It's like a you don't belong here. I'm going to kill you. Yes, and then that's exactly what it does. It will kill that new human. So now we get a mother with the negative blood and a father with negative blood. No problem. That child will come to terms. No problem. Now why? Why this happened? Nobody knows. But I have my observation. And this is to protect that lineage, to protect that biology, to protect. Remember, biology is mother and father, mother and father. Somehow, maybe by design, we could have been designed. Maybe by design, there is a section of the population that is protected. That is protected by nature or by whatever. Something protect that line of biology. So a virus is basically that. It's to protect something in us, to protect something in us against each other. So yes, if somebody create a new virus, manipulate it, why not? We have been manipulated before, like negative blood, or like the Chinese virus Corona. That is what a virus does. So yes, I am uneducated, but I'm smart enough to figure out that a virus is something good for the planet. We cannot take it from the equation. We can try to combat it, right? But at the end, we actually hurting ourselves more, because we have to we must let nature to take its course, and nature say the herd, the human herd, with time will become a living organism with this new, what we call virus, new instructions that we can live our lives fine with these new instructions in our bodies to keep us together. And when someone else come in, it will defend us from them. Basically, it will kill them. It also can kill us. That is my 3 cents out there. So no doctor out there, no biology school is going to teach you that. And yes, I am how can I say, writing a book. I've never been a follower, and so I make my own books. Do the same. Do the same, write your own book.